Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Glad you stopped by. If you're doing any of the maintenance items on your Honda HRV, like I am today on this 2021 model, I'm going to be changing out the cabin filter. If you've never done it before and not sure what to do, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. And in the description below the video, I'll give you a link to the products I used, and you can get your products the same way. You can save a ton of money by doing this yourself. You don't need to go to the dealer or go to an auto repair place that's going to charge you $50 to $100 to do this. You can buy a filter for about 10 or 12 bucks or less if you buy, a couple at a time. I bought mine on a Black Friday special, I believe it was, or Cyber Monday, and I got it like a 3-pack for cheap. And in the meantime, don't blink because it's that quick. Now, this might take me a hair longer because I'm doing it with one hand. Open a glove compartment. On each side, squeeze it because there's little tabs and allows it to drop down a hair. Now on the left-hand side, there's this little hydraulic hook. Push down on it with your thumb, it unsnaps, and allows the glove compartment to drop down. Now, you're looking at the area where the filter goes. It tells you how to take this off. And here's the old filter. Comes out just like that. Then you take your new filter, put it in like so. Snap that back in place. You're done. You just did it. Bring the compartment back up until it snaps into place by hand. And don't forget to hook this little hydraulic hook up under that little tab and it snaps into place like that. You're done. Quick and easy. Next time, do it yourself and save a ton. If you've learned something today, man, I appreciate it. A thumbs up would be great. I hope this helped you out. Hope you watch our other videos. We do other things besides just pure maintenance. We also do LS swaps on OBS trucks and some other stuff. It's not just maintenance. So we got a variety going on. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching.